Just quick attention, everybody. Who wanna get party tonight? Very nice. But before, just a bit talk, like just a bit, okay? Tonight we're going to talk about something fascinating and really, really interesting. But before we start, I want to ask you some questions, especially how we as a developers spend our free time. And I want to ask who watches Netflix? Raise your hands. In your free time. Very nice, very nice. Who do open source? Open source. Brave people. Very good. Social networks. Nobody. Cool. Sports. Very sporty. Memes, internet, funny, Reddit. Nice. But what about music? Is that it? Music lovers? Who play music here? Okay, nice. And I just want to tell a story about myself also, about music, something here before I start. And I also really, really passionate about React, and I love to program React. But my second passion is the music. And I start realizing that I want to play music a lot, and I should pick an instrument for sure. And I think the instrument in the first choice was really, really, really obvious, and this is guitar. And I want to ask who play guitar here? Okay, guitar here, okay. It's really fascinating. I really wanted to play guitar also, and I started learning it, and I thought that I will be like this guy. You know? It's really rock, yeah? But actually, in reality, after my expectation, I'm like that. It's like only guitar pro stuff what I can do. It's really, really like that. Then I start realizing, okay, guitar, not my thing, instrument, not my thing, maybe electronic, maybe DJ. Cool, yeah, DJ, party, you can share your taste with the people and so on. And then, you know, if this guy can do the DJ, I think everybody can. And it is not so, I don't know, it's not so hard from my perspective to play as a DJ. I don't want to insult any DJs here. But I realized that I can do something more interesting and I can produce the music. And that's me. But, you know, it's Ableton, it's my setup, synthesizers, you know, some complicated stuff. But you're asking right now, okay, what about React? Okay, you talk about Ableton, music, so on, guitar, social networks. Where's React here? And exactly, what is React? And actually, I have an idea before this talk that maybe we can connect these two worlds together, like Ableton in React somehow, and play something really cool. In 2017, in React Amsterdam, I was inspired by Vincent Rimmer and his talk about IO88. This is classic synthesizer, what he has written in React and Redux. Who remembers this talk? It was last year. Did you like it? It was really cool, you know? And I started thinking, like, maybe I can play my music with the synthesizer somehow. And I started investigating how I can do it. And actually, this is just a bit code for the synth. And I found out that Ableton has support some special tool called not ableton-link. Link protocol in Ableton. You can connect any application. You can build the iOS app with React Native. You can build like anything and then just do effects, audio, and really improve your performance. But you know, what about JavaScript and React? And I found out this cool library called not ableton-link. And I had actually a problem with this synthesizer because main thing is adjusting tempo to synchronize my track and this synth together to play syncs. And I found out how to connect these two worlds together through this Ableton-link library. And it is a simple socket.io, which I used, and simple action to emit on a server side in a node, and then synchronize your BPM and send to the synthesizer the BPM which came from Ableton. And this is how you can connect through the Redux. It is very simple. It is just middleware and action, and that's it. And you got your tempo. Let's try demo. This is the synth. And I want to play sound. Okay. Do you hear it? Just a bit louder. Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay.
It's not louder.
No, it's okay. It's okay. And this is Ableton, and you can see this here in the link. It's adjusting the tempo, but this is not the point. I will show you later. Actually, in the beginning, I started thinking how we can apply the same pattern to create the music and in electronic stuff. We are programmers, and we do like a lot of cool things, and we have a lot of common logic, actually, when you produce the music. And I found out this is the concept of Beam. Who ever heard about Beam? Block elements and modifier. Yeah, nice. That you can apply the same in the music production. For example, you have drums, which you can hear. You have effects, which you can hear also. And you need to add bass line. It's the most funny part, right? And of course, you need to add layer by layer to your electronic stuff. It's kind of groovy move. It's like some effects and drums. And especially your elements is your instruments. It is synths, it's your instruments, any other samples, any other effects. And you know what? I came from Berlin. And Berlin is the heart of techno music. Sorry, Amsterdam. Berlin is the techno music capital. And your modifiers is the effects which you apply to the like reverb, delays, arpeggiator to your stuff. Was created especially for React Amsterdam event. It's called React Amsterdam. You can find it out in my SoundCloud link page. And that's what I want to say. Just guys, enjoy the music. Enjoy the party tonight. And let's go. out. And you know, everything is over sometimes. Like the music should also end somehow, and you should also like bring out the vibe and groove and everything. Thank you.